We really need to sit back and think about, because jokes aren't jokes anymore. Dark humor has suddenly taken a political angle these days, and comedy is now often met with FIRs and several rape and death threats, especially when it comes from a woman. Yes, I am talking about the horrifying series of events that content creator Apoorva Mukhija, aka the Rebel Kid, had to go through because of an insensitive joke that she cracked on Samir Raina's comedy show called India's Got Latent. Was her joke crass? Definitely. Was it funny? Absolutely no. But did she really deserve to go through everything that she did because of that one joke? Hell no. After 2 months of being silent, Apoorva has finally spoken her side of the story in her new YouTube video titled Till I Say It Is. And well, it's even shameful to even hear what she has been through. Not only did the 23-year-old influencer go through an insane amount of shaming online, rape and death threats and acid attack threats, but her parents were harassed online for every single day for the past 2 months.
मेरे पेरेंट्स के बारे में लोगों ने बहुत बोला है थ्रू आउट दिस कंट्रोवर्सी, बट दे आर जेन्युइनली रियली सिंपल पीपल हु ट्राइड देयर बेस्ट. और मेरी मम्मी ने ना मुझे बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाई है लाइफ में, जैसे कि नेवर गिविंग अप, ऑलवेज टेकिंग अ स्टैंड फॉर योरसेल्फ, ऑलवेज बीइंग स्ट्रांग, ऑलवेज. They really didn't deserve this.
While I do understand her joke on somebody's mom and their vagina might have triggered a large section of the society, but why was it so difficult for haters and trollers to just let the law do its job? There were already multiple FIRs against Apoorva and the police were doing their job. But what happened next with Apoorva is beyond shocking and not justified whatsoever. And while she did apologize for her remarks on the show and promised to be careful about it in the future, she also broke into tears while recalling what her parents went through and how her mom was almost hospitalized. All this for just a joke. In a country where violence against women and rape tragedies are still an extremely concerning issue, it's heartbreaking to even see how a large section of the same society is rather more concerned about who said what on an unserious show like India's Got Latent. It's appalling that a joke, although tasteless, warranted such a heavy response. Women in particular are always targeted. They are dealing with threats every single day and they are left feeling so vulnerable and unsafe. Apoorva, a young woman herself, was subjected to this level of hatred, and it is a stark reminder of the misogynistic culture that we're still living in. The outpour of hate speech and threats is a symptom of a larger issue, the normalization of violence against women. So while I don't support what came out of the young lady's mouth on a show which largely runs on dark humor, I absolutely despise what has happened with her next. We as a society need to take a step back and think what we're really indulging in. So sorry, but harassing a girl with rape and acid attacks is not okay. Sorry, but slut shaming a young woman online is not okay. Sorry, but making a woman feel unsafe in her own home is not okay. Sorry, all this is absolutely not okay.